Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2006 Mercedes-Benz SL500. It has a clean Carfax, only 60,166 miles, and comes with a power convertible hardtop with a built-in sunroof, auto-dimming power heated mirrors with memory, and much more. 18-inch alloy wheels, high-performance tires, auto light sensing HID headlamps with washers, rain sensing heated wipers, fog lights, and a strong 8-cylinder with only 60,166 miles. Key fob trunk release, large taillights, the dual chrome exhaust tips, and a very spacious cargo area. The front row power heated leather seating with memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, a locking glove box, outside temp, a power leather steering wheel with convenience controls and memory, and the easy to use entertainment and navigation system with a 6-disc CD changer and an 8-speaker Bose surround sound system.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.